so excited. We're on our way. My wife and I, we are going to celebrate.
Yes.
Two celebrations today. One, I passed my driving license. I'm so freaking happy. It was a long journey. Finally!
You never gave up.
But I never gave up. I went, I failed, and then I passed. Thank you, God. And thank you for the 100 subscribers, guys. There's a lot more coming, a lot more coming for the channel. We are planning great content, and I know you guys gonna love it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it.
Watch this space.
Yes.
Okay, so what are we looking at here tonight? We're looking at GBP, JPY. I just want to go through a few pairs because I do realize that you guys are struggling with finding the direction. But soos ek gesê het, is baie belangrik om na watter time frame jy kyk. Want as jy na prys kyk op 'n sê for instance op 'n 1 minute, dan sien jy nie die volle how can I say? Jy sien nie die volle structure van die market nie. Yes, I know you might want to make quick money and you want to jump in quick. But om hy quick move te kry en om reg te wees oor die direction, to be right about the direction, you need to pay attention to a higher time frame structure. Now, I'm going to show you the difference between looking for setups on a 4-hour and 1 hour and looking for setups on a 5-minute and 15-minute. So let's just see here. On this 4-hour, let me just go way back in time. Say, kom ons gaan gou terug na Valentine's Day. Die 14de was op Woensdag. So price was here the Wednesday, right? The Tuesday evening at 8. We are on a 4-hour. Now you'll see candles going up. Look at these candles going up, and they go up, and then they're pushing down. Right? Then they stop, and then they're pushing up, then they push down. Then they move up all the way up, moving up. Then it stopped and it moved down, and then it continued upwards. Now, we can clearly see on this 4-hour that price was moving in an upwards direction. Even though price was making retracement moves like here, as you can see here, and here it was moving in the opposite direction of an upwards direction, right? So even though we have price moving in the opposite direction of what the trend is, because the trend, according to our trend line, or according to the structure, high, lower, high, lower, high, that means price is moving in an uptrend. But your job is to find and look only for buys in an uptrend. You cannot try and trade. If you're going to try and trade those retracements, you need to be very accurate with your entry. Because remember, we are pushing upwards overall direction. So you being in a sell, you might thinking that price is going to come all the way down here. But price is just following structure at the end of the day. And it will continue to move. Once it retraced and did this, it will continue moving upwards, like you can see here. And it's always like that. Look, let's look at the different market. That was GBP JPY. Let's look at GBP AUD. So when we look at the 4-hour for GBP AUD, you'll see that, oh, man, sorry. Overall, we are more, okay, in this case now you will be confused because you see so many up and down movements. You see, let's start from here. You see price moving up, then it retraces down. Then you see a little bit moving up, then it retraces a little bit down. Then you see it move up, then you see a retracement down, but then you see it move up. But what is very important in this, the way it moves here, is the fact that, let me just delete this quickly and just show you. Looking at how price broke, it moved up, and then before it retraced down, pay attention to the high, right? So this high right here, talking about this high, it bounced against it and it reversed down. But that is only a retracement. Why? Because it moved up again. Price moves up again, and then it rejected from this area. But that doesn't mean that we are now in a downtrend. It means that it is just retracing. So retracement means when price is making a move in the opposite direction of what the trend is. So here the trend is moving up, retrace down, then it moves up. Look, pay attention to this candle here, because that's where your knowledge of candlestick patterns comes in. Once you see, look, I'm referring to this candle here, this one, this bullish green candle. Once you see that price is actually moving in a, like, breaking structure to the downside like this, upside, I mean, it took out these two highs, and that is where I just want to leave this call because there's nobody there. Sorry, there we go. So yeah, so when you look at this candle here, breaking structure right here, that you must know that we're still in an uptrend. That is a confirmation that we are still in an uptrend. Now I'm gonna type a rule here. Confirmation that we're still in an uptrend. This is the things you need to look out for. Are we, or say, is price breaking high? This is what you look for. Price will, or not will, price do break a high. Price is making higher highs. That is confirmation that we're still in an uptrend. Now, this confirms this candle. Look out where it stopped, where it closed. That is confirmation that we are still in an uptrend, because pay attention to where that candle closed. Now, many would think now this area is now good because you see now this bearish candles. Now you want to sell. Remember what is the overall trend that we are in. We are in a bullish trend. So we don't want to be in a sell knowing that we are in a bullish direction. The market is bullish. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. You only trade with the trend. You don't trade against the trend. You will be punished by the market where you enter with the sell and then the market or price continues to go in the upwards direction and you are in a sell and you will lose a lot of money. So always remember that higher time frame direction is the law. It is what you need to look out for. So now this confirms that we are in an uptrend, right? Why? Because that bullish candle is a bullish candle. You will see more bullish candles in an uptrend. As you can see, look at all these green candles here. Look at this green. Yes, we have got some red candles, but there's more green candles than red candles, right? But even besides that basic knowledge of candlesticks, understand structure. Structure says that this is a high, this is another high. And that candle right there took out these two highs. That means we are now breaking structure to the upside. What is it? Price is breaking a high. That confirms that we are in an uptrend. Okay. Okay.